So now Google Ads account structure. Now you might be thinking, sir, why are you explaining the Google Ads account structure? We'll understand it when we start learning how to create ads, right? So my friends, in today's class of Google Ads course, if I explain the entire structure to you now, then you will be able to understand what is required to start a campaign and what are the steps that are to be followed, and then the things we need to create it and what is their importance. So then your fundamentals will be very clear. And the special thing about any new course is that if the theory of that is started from the beginning, then that specific theory and its concepts and fundamentals are explained with lot of detail from the start. So with this method, learning the Google Ads or pursuing any other course will become very easy for you. So far, all the videos that you must have seen and used them to learn from our Google Ads course for the year 2025. Do let me know in the comment section about everything and what your experience has been. And if you are learning this course well and enjoying this, then be very sure to comment about this and let me know. And if you have any doubts or if there's anything else that you want to learn about Google Ads, especially of advanced level, so be sure to let me know in the comments section, so that I can create and cover all those aspects in the new upcoming videos. Thus keep this in your mind. Now we are going to be starting the topic related to our Google accounts ads structure. So friends, firstly, let us say that this entire part is like a Google Ads account, okay? Now in this Google Ads account, so when we create a Google Ads account using our Gmail ID, which I already finished teaching you, then Google provides us with a Google Ads account. Now within this particular Google Ads account, what is it that we create first? We will create the campaigns first. This campaign, right? Now you can create multiple campaigns related to your business within a single Google Ads account. It's not like you create one campaign. You can create a sales campaign, a leads campaign, a shopping campaign, a display campaign from the option here, and in various different ways according to your needs and your requirements. Or if you work for clients, then according to their requirements, you can create multiple campaigns. So then the first step should be that you need a Google Ads account, and then using it, you can then create multiple number of ad campaigns. So now I will be talking about one particular campaign. Okay, it is so as the structure is the same for all the campaigns. Now let us discuss about something, and we will talk about the digital marketing institute that I have and I run. And so for that institute, I am running a campaign. I have taken a coaching institute as an example here, and business for you. Now I will have to run a new campaign so that in the institute that I have, attract students and they study. So I will create a campaign. I am creating a lead generation campaign. So I will clarify my objective, and the objective is leads. I'll set up the conversion tracking and everything for creating the campaign. That way, when the campaign is running, I can set the objectives and then set the type of campaign also. And then after all these options have been set up, I will need to be running text ads as well here. Or if I need to run display ads or YouTube ads, I can set everything up accordingly. So I will create my own campaign for lead generation. Now when I will be creating the particular campaign, within that campaign, I will have to then create different multiple ad groups. So we will need to create multiple ad groups. Now you might say, sir, there's one campaign and you can explain everything in that, but that's not how it works. Since it is my coaching institute, it can be possible that I have multiple and different set of courses and batches running for it. This one is running SEO. Okay. And in this particular set, the AI or artificial intelligence is being run. And then this particular set, so this one is running my digital marketing completely. And in this one, this is my social media marketing running and the things related to Facebook and others. Now let us say that you are running a business of your own. Okay, so let me take the example of a digital marketing agency, as that's a very different thing from a coaching. Now let's say I want to run a separate campaign using SEO services in digital marketing. And then with AI services, I will run a new separate campaign, and digital marketing and social media will be different. So I have different services. It can be that you have another business with its own separate services. Now, what mistakes do people make? If they have a product, so for that one product, one ad group, for the second, the third, then the fourth, and so on. So multiple ad groups can be made within one campaign. But then what mistake do people make the most? These people think that they are running a business of just a digital market coaching, and so they just create one campaign group, and within that They end up adding everything like the SEO, the AI, then digital marketing, then social media, including Facebook. And with everything being applied and used, all of it goes haywire. You should never do anything like this. Because the more you use these systematically, the more you will be able to create all your campaigns, segregate everything and keep all of it separately. So that is how you will be able to manage everything and have a good overall quality score. So Google will also easily understand that this particular campaign has been created for this ad group. And why is it created and what is its relevance to other aspects. That matters a lot, and by the end of this session, its importance will be very clear. Now here, when we have to create a brand new and a particular campaign group, then in that new group here, when we're creating a new ad group, then we run multiple ads in that group. Okay, so then within one campaign group, there are multiple ads running. Okay, multiple ads are running. Similarly, just like in this, multiple ads can run separately in this part, and in this part too. Why will it run? I'll explain it as it's important. Now, let's say, and I am going to take the first example here, the first ad group. Okay. Now, if I am going to create an ad group here related to the SEO, so now I am going to be mentioning a set of keywords needed here. And when we'll teach this practically, it will be very useful for you if it gets registered in your mind. So we do keyword research. Keyword research is done through keyword planning, which we'll teach. So like SEO, or we can also think like SEO courses in Delhi, then institutes in Delhi, or like search engine optimization courses online. So similar to these, and anything related to SEO will be the set of keywords which I will put in this particular ad group, and not in AI or digital marketing or in social media. Is this clear? Now there are some keywords which I am going to be putting in this particular ad group. So I will create an ad related to that. Now you will be required to create 2-3 more ads, and it's time to make dynamic ads also. And inside that, what usually happens here is that we generally call all these ads smart and dynamic ads, all right. In the past, it was like we had to create all the ads along with the text, and it used to be limited with how many headlines and descriptions that we could add. But now multiple headlines, multiple descriptions can be added inside one single ad. But they should be completely made relevant to the keywords that have been mentioned by you in one particular ad group. And you can mention 10 to 12 keywords comfortably inside which are relevant to this. And these keywords and descriptions that you will put should also be relevant to the keywords being used here. Like if I am going to be putting in the title or the keyword in the ad for which the users generally search for, then I'll be putting SEO course online, and then best SEO institute or any training institute, and in this way I'll put keywords. Now what will happen is you create one ad like this, then make another ad like this. Don't stuff all the keywords in one ad. It is as you can't just fill in keywords in the headlines or titles. Along with the keywords, something unique. Like when someone is searching, and if I am a user, then I am going to put in SEO Institute in Delhi. So as soon as someone searches for something on Google, Google will come up with the search results. So if we search for like which are the SEO institutes in or around Delhi, and then we can see that the keyword comes in the campaigns group, and then it is going to see that ad which matches with the exact keyword used inside it. So it will pick the one that is more relevant. If you do the same in your AI or digital marketing ad group or even SEO and social media, then it will be confused. So Google understands that in this specific account, within this specific campaign and within this ad group, it has keywords related to SEO. And so within that ad, the one result that matches the keywords that the user searched the most and has the most relevance with the search, it will show that. Now, what does this achieve? The user, and sometimes even you, when you are searching for something, then the ads that you see, so the most relevant answer for the thing that you are searching for, that will be written exactly in the place where it will be matching, or something that will be the most similar result, and your cursor will go to that only, and you click there. Now you can create the very same thing through this process and feature. Like this, I'll create different ad groups with AI, digital marketing and social media, and create multiple ads in them. Now what will happen? Now here people end up making another mistake. Like if it's a SEO course, then create a landing page for only that. But then they will make only one landing page. I'm offering SEO, Google Ads, Facebook AI, Everything is going into that one page. This is wrong. If you are selling multiple courses or you have multiple services or multiple products, then each of them should have its own landing pages. So create separate landing page for this. It should have related keywords and the URL should be related to it. And then there should also be some information related to it on this particular page. It can be about batches or testimonials, and so you can add it and it should be related. Okay, so you will have to keep this in mind and that it should be either related to this side or this side. And the entire thing has relevancy. Done? Now Google clearly understands that yes, in this particular account and in this specific campaign, there is a particular ad group and the ad for this particular service or product is running. Now this has become a relevant landing page from which the user is getting benefits. Now Google is also seeing that they have created the campaign very well after having followed all the rules. This will benefit you in terms of quality score, ad rank, etc. Now, we will understand all of this in further depth and you will grasp everything when I start teaching practically how to make Google Ads. So if you've watched this entire video carefully, then you will find it very easy to learn and I can guarantee it. So friends, be sure to tell me how you liked this video. I hope you understood everything and that you won't forget it. Just keep revising.